Before we start everything, okay, I have this mic because I need to have a good mic quality, so don't mind it, okay? Have you ever dealt with fake friends? Have you ever felt used? Have you ever broke up and felt bad after because you missed them? Did you ever feel like you needed friends or someone to make you feel better? Do you feel like you people please too much? Do you always put others first? If your mind said yes, I suggest you to keep watching this video. If your mind was like, no, I never, I never experienced that, I suggest you to keep watching. Yes, girl. Like, girl. Shut up. Hi, welcome to this new show, Therapy Time. I'm your host, Tahar, and this is Mia the Houseplant. So today we're gonna be talking about relationships. It could be friends, it could be love relationships, and it could be family. Quick disclaimer before we start this video. I am in no way a therapist or a professional speaker. I am just here to help you guys, just to give you the tea and then just leave. Just please don't sue me. Just please don't, okay? There's two categories that will put together this show. The first category being my experience with this topic, which in this video is relationships. And then the second category will be assisting, helping, and just stuff like that, okay? By the way, if you want to support me on this journey and channel, make sure to subscribe. I will post videos every single week. And remember to like this video if this video really helped. Let's start with my experience. I will make this as brief as possible. I was always this weird child that nobody wanted to talk to. I was always rejected. I was never like welcomed, or I was never like accepted. But my young self fear of rejection. I would hang out with people that don't wanted to hang out, that couldn't even stand me. But yeah, anyways, now let's go to high school. So high school was a bit different. I actually found some friends, some real friends, but yeah. So I found this one girl, let's just call her Blondie. She's actually my friend now, and we have been friends since forever. I always loved her, but we had some ups and downs like every friendship, you know? And then I met this second girl, which I loved, honestly, and now it's just like, it's just like, bah. She was so accepting, and I never felt that. I just loved her so much because of it. First year of our relationship was the best I could ask for. Second year was girl. So she began ignoring me a bit. She wouldn't talk to me that much. Which, by the way, I don't care if you talk to others. Like, honestly, go. Like, not in this way, but like, go talk to others. Like, go socialize. Like, I don't mind. But when you literally ignore my existence and just go talk to others while I'm just being here, like, I'm sorry, like, hello. As I said, I fear rejection, so whenever she wanted to talk to others, I would be there with her. She would blame me for stuff that I didn't even do. And then one day, it was like, bam. Like, one day, it was just a big ass argument. It took like 3 hours. And she just called me a hypocrite, that I always talk bad about people. It just shocked me in a way, but I'm so grateful this happened. Honestly, if you watch this, thank you. Because it was my wake-up call, honestly. And this is why I'm here right now filming this video. Let's get to the assisting, okay? By the way, if you are enjoying this type of video, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you. If you disagree with what I think or what I say in this video, make sure to mention it. Honestly, I don't care. I'm open to anything, and it's totally fine if you disagree with what I say. The thing with relationships is people come and go. They either die or I'm sorry if it's too harsh, but it is what it is, okay? People either die or leave, okay? This is relationships to me, honestly. By the way, I always say he, it could be her, but you know. So if one person ever wants to leave you in a way that he doesn't want to tell you, but he's making sure that he's ignoring you, please do not hold that person. I'm just telling you from experience, please do not hold that person. Please do not get him back. Just, it will make things so much worse. Because if you keep holding that person, he will be so mad. I mean, not mad, but like, he will be so tired that you're still here. And he will just tell you things that you don't want to hear, okay? And who's gonna be the one that will be sad in the end? That's you, Poe.
That's you, Pooh.
And yeah, you just don't want that, okay? Just try to prevent any problems before impulsively getting that problem and just being crushed, you know? And try to have this people come and go mindset, okay? If that person wants to go, just let it go. Because you'll get another person later. Like, there's 7 billion people in this planet. Like, you'll eventually find someone. Like, I mean, it's just, it will come in naturally. Like, just give it time. Second thing to not do when people are going away is do not do something you wouldn't do to make them stay. It is in no way a doable thing, okay? If you are not okay with it, don't do it. It could be everything. It could be like, I don't know, nude. It could be like giving them money. I don't know, just things that you wouldn't do to any person. Just don't do it because that person is leaving. Like, no. Okay? No. And this is why self-love is so important, okay? You will love yourself enough to not want anyone in your life but yourself. Like, people are needed to make your life better, okay? So you'll eventually need people. What I say is, you will not be desperate. You will not be in need of people. Let's talk about self-love a bit. Self-love is honestly the miracle to life, okay? If you don't love yourself, then what the hell are you even living? Like, what? Girl. So, let me break it down to you. You think that self-love is literally loving yourself to 100%. Like, your body, your hair, everything needs to be loved, and you just can't. So what I say is, try to love yourself internally, like I do. I just love my personality. I just love what I am, honestly, but physically, what I look like, it's a no. I don't like it, and I'm changing it, okay? Loving yourself internally is just like a basic, okay? And then loving yourself externally will come later. It will come naturally, okay? Try to learn how to love yourself internally, your personality, what you are, who you are, just everything, okay? And then you won't need people to make you feel loved because you already love yourself, okay? Now let's talk trust. What I suggest you is to don't never trust anybody, okay? Only trust yourself. Because, as I said, people come and go. So if they go in a bad way, they will eventually expose you or something like that. I am not in any way trying to scare you or anything. I am just here to help you because of experience, you know? Try not to send anything or tell anything about your personal life, your personal family life, about anything. Keep everything to yourself except for medical or therapy things, okay? I swear to God, I hate this video. My mic cut off. So, it's bad. Don't share stuff you don't want it to be exposed, because you'll regret it after if that person actually exposes them. Sharing your problems to a therapist or something like that could really help you, okay? This could really help you through your journey or whatever you're going through. Now let's talk people pleasing, which I was. It's like something I'm proud of, but I'm really not proud of this. Like, this era, okay? I used to people please so much. I used to fake my emotions, fake my likings. People pleasing in general is never good, okay? Because if you people please, people will get used to it. People pleasers tend to think that people are more important than yourself. You want people to think that you're good, that you're generous, that you're, I don't know, good thoughts about you. But you can't please everyone. Like, there's always that someone in class or someone in work that hates you. And this is why people pleasing is bad, okay? Because you try to, like, work for people, work for your friend, but in the end, they just go. Like, it just, like, you're just leaving your workspace and then you never meet them again. As we say here in France, be good the first time. Because if you stay good, people will start sucking you. People will start sucking you like sweets, okay? So be sweet the first time. The thing is, you don't want to get people used to this, okay? Because if they still get used to it, it will end badly. Like, it's 100% sure they will. When I say badly, I mean they will start rejecting you because you don't give them what they want anymore. And by the way, always put yourself first, okay? Never people first, because you have yourself for a lifetime. Will there be people in your grave? No. There will only be crying for a day and that's it, okay? This is the harsh truth, but it's real, okay? It's life. Hi, so my dumb self when I was filming thought that standards meant expectations. So whenever I say standards, I mean expectations. Now let's talk standards. My biggest tip ever for relationships and stuff like that, and new, of course, new people, never put people, like, never get feelings that quick, okay? Because as I said, people come and go. It's just like this cycle that people come, people make you enjoy and have memories. It starts to get bad. Sometimes it's still good, which is perfect. But sometimes it can be bad, and then it's just the bye. And then you get sad because of it, and then you start meeting new people, and this is the cycle. So yeah, if someone that you think is attractive or, I don't know, has a sweet personality and stuff like that, it may only be the first chapter to him. You don't know what people are. They could be like, oh my god, I could stab her right now. And now let's talk boundaries, okay? Boundaries are so important in relationships, because if you don't have boundaries, people can do anything to you and you'll be okay with it, which is not a good thing. You need to have more important boundaries, and then just those boundaries that are light. That's what I named them. The light boundaries are just like, okay, but never do them again, okay? It's like, okay, I forgive you for that, but you never do that again. And if you do that again, it's a no, it's a bye, okay? One last tip is to be harsh with your relationships. People make mistakes and it's okay, but when they make mistakes, let them know it is not okay so that they can stop, so you guys can have a healthy relationship. Because if you don't make it clear, they will do it again, which is never good. And then there's the important boundaries, which is, if you do that, it's a no. Like, bye instantly. Like, just don't talk to me again. Never forgive people for something that was so hurtful, because if you forgive them over and over and over, they will do it again. And never be shocked by repeated behavior, okay? Got it. So, moral of the story, let me just read it because I have a memory of a 6-year-old child. Fun fact about my bad memory, I literally thought Sirius, the family of Harry Potter, was Snape. Love yourself ASAP. It could be internally, it could be externally, it could be everything. Just love yourself so that you don't need people in your life. Enough. Don't trust people. Don't do stuff you don't want to do for other people that are not interested in you. Feel special. This is it. I really hope it helps you. I filmed an older version of it, but my mic was inexistent, okay? The audio was so bad. Yeah, thanks for watching. Please give it a like if you liked it and if it really helped you. If you have any thoughts, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my socials and DM me. Honestly, I don't have friends, so bye. That was so straight. Okay, see ya. Bye.